You can turn any GarageBand song into a ringtone that you can use on your iPhone. The first step is to open an existing project or create a new one by clicking iPhone Ringtone. There are 3 templates to choose from: an example template, a loops template for creating a ringtone with Apple Loops, and a voice template for recording a vocal ringtone. We'll choose the example ringtone. Enter a name for the project, click the Create button, and GarageBand opens with the example ringtone. Hit the play button to hear how it sounds. You can customize your ringtone by searching for loops in the Loops browser, then dragging them in and extending them to fit. You can also add your own recordings. Click the play button again to preview the ringtone. When the project is ready, adjust the cycle region to cover the part of the song that you want to use as a ringtone. Do that by dragging the yellow bar at the top of the window, keeping in mind that ringtones must be less than 40 seconds. Then, choose Send Ringtone to iTunes from the Share menu. GarageBand creates the ringtone and opens iTunes where you can sync it to your iPhone.